Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a lemon face soap that will help clear or brighten and can help with acne. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making the soap. So we're gonna cut the lemon in half. We're just gonna need 1/2. And we're gonna squeeze out the lemon juice, and make sure you sanitize everything and wash everything and rub it down with alcohol before you start. So we have our juice. So I have here my melt and pour soap that I make from scratch. So if you do not know how to make melt and pour soap, I have a video down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my soap. I want to mention that the recipe that I used to make this soap, it doesn't sweat, as you can see. So whatever recipe you end up making your soap, whether it's hand washing soap from this, it will not sweat. And when you melt the soap, just use 30 seconds first. You just want to melt the soap. You don't want to cook it, boil it, and then or you can just use a double boiler. See how clear the soap is. So go ahead and put your soap cubes into a heat-resistant glass jar, and I'm gonna put this on a double boiler. So now that our soap has melted, we're gonna go ahead and add all our ingredients. We'll start off with our lemon juice. We're gonna add some vitamin E oil. We're gonna add our lemongrass essential oil, 3 drops, 4 drops. We're gonna add in our glycerin, vegetable glycerin. And we're gonna add in some aloe vera. So go ahead and add in your aloe vera. I will put all the measurements down below, so don't worry about that. And then we're just gonna mix this. So now that we've added everything, I'm gonna go ahead and add some color, but it's really up to you. This soap is perfectly fine the way it is, but I'm gonna add in some neo yellow, and I'll leave the link down where I got it. It's actually on my website. You can get it from there. It's premixed, so you don't have to worry about mixing it. you know, I'm just gonna add in a little bit at a time. Just a little bit at a time. You do not want to overdo it. Because we're just looking for that perfect color. And this, the way this color is mixed is really, it will give you that color that you need. Lemon has so many benefits on our skin, to our skin. It fights acne, it clears skin, it helps with blackhead, it naturally lightens the skin, it fights pimples, and if you have some discoloration, lemon helps with that too. So this color is on my website in case you want it. It's called Neo Yellow. So it's called Neo Electric Slide. So it's a nice color. Okay, so I think our soap is ready to put in a mold. This is my mold, and I'm just gonna pour my soap in. And that is our soap. We're just gonna let it sit for about 2 hours and we'll unmold it.